So I'm going to be making some wheat flour dumpling to go with the curry jerk chicken neck. You're going to start off with a sieve of the wheat flour. And I'm not going to put too much in there. Let me just show you what it looks like. You see the wheat? Yeah. That's what the wheat looks like. I'm gonna just sieve this. So I've sieved about a full sieve of wheat flour, and I'm gonna add now some flour to it, natural flour. Oh no. You have to kind of make sure that you have the right ratio of flour to wheat. It depends on your taste still. If you want more wheat, you put more wheat. If you want to put less wheat, you put less wheat, and tweak it to your taste. But I think I'm going to go about half and half. Save that. I'm just going to be adding a little bit of salt to that. About a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, because remember the wheat is kind of on the heavy side. So you have to make sure you add enough salt for it to taste up, you know? Yeah. Then mix that in your hand. Roses are red, my love. Violets are blue. Very sweet, my love, but not as sweet as you. I'm gonna start putting this together. Now I'm gonna add some water. And I already made a fried dumpling, crispy fried dumpling video, and I basically showed you how to make your dough for your fried dumpling. This is basically the same process. Or it is. You add tiny bits of water. I'll come back when I'm done forming the dough. Refer to my fried crispy fried dumpling video to see how to make the dough and to round it up. But you want to make them about this size and about that thick, because this is wheat, and wheat is going to take a little while to cook. The flour dumpling will take about 10 minutes or so to cook, but the wheat dumpling is going to take a little bit longer. So you don't want to be there standing over the stove the whole day. So just make sure that you make it at a reasonable size like this, and the thickness like that. So I put the water to boil with a little bit of salt and some oil in it so that the dumpling does not stick to the pot. I'm going to be adding the dumplings to the boiling water. And in no time, I'm going to have a tasty meal with these wheat dumplings and that jerk curry chicken. Thank you for watching so far. Don't cover the pot. That's one thing when you're boiling dumplings. Do not cover the pot. Totally. No, no, no. That's a no-no. And the dumpling is just about done. See how it looks? Yeah. So I'm gonna dish it now and eat. I'm hungry. So this is how you taste the dumpling if it's cooked. Just gonna take a little piece off Come on, thing, where you going? Gonna take a little piece off. Cool it. Now, it's done. We're gonna be plating the food now. Ooh, it's a lot of steam. So I think I want 3 dumplings.
3.
Orange jerk neck. That. Oh man, I can't wait to sample this. It's gonna taste so delicious. Well, that's it, guys. Our flour wheat dumplings and our jerk curry neck. Thank you for tuning in. Please share, subscribe, like, hit that notification bell so that you get notice of all my videos. And thank you for your continued support. Until my next video, thank you for watching.